Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired a very rare Range Rover Evoque convertible. It's the facelift model. It's in lovely condition throughout with a host of extras. So you've got the front park distance control, 360-degree camera, upgraded alloy wheels, finishing absolutely gleaming black. It shines, as you can see with the reflection of me there. First park distance control, camera again. It's the top of the range, so it's got the deeper rear diffuser. Absolutely looks beautiful. Again, it's the facelift model. Got rear spoiler there, fully electric black roof, contrasting black red leather, Meridian sound system, electric memory seats. It's got heated seats. It's done 33,257 miles. I'll just start the car up. Heated seats, all-terrain response, Apple CarPlay. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 360 cameras. Full media pack. Got cruise control, heated steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel. It is absolutely fully loaded, fully electric roof. Oh, it's got a heads-up display there as well. At DJH, we have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.